Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can install the Google Analytics on the WordPress website. Especially I'm going to show you how you can track your WordPress Forminator form from using Google Tag Manager. So let's start. Before showing that, I'm notifying you if you are not a technical guy and want to set up proper tracking including Google Analytics, Google Ads conversion tracking, Facebook Pixel and Conversion API, feel free to book a call with me, and also you can hire me if you want, and if you need urgent, message me in WhatsApp. Alright, so let me show you how you can set up the Forminator form using Google Tag Manager in WordPress. At first, we have to come on the Google Tag Manager. Here, I come on the Google Tag Manager. From here, I need to install the Google Tag Manager on the WordPress website. If I click on this ID, then I'm getting this instruction. From here, they are saying I have to paste the head code and body code in WordPress. So we can do it easily using a plugin. Let me copy the ID only. You see, this is the Google Tag Manager ID. Okay. I copy it and I need to go on the WordPress and I need to open the WordPress dashboard because I have to add a plugin on the WordPress. So let me go on the plugin section. Here I come on the plugin and I need to add plugin. Okay, here I click on add plugin. Then I need to install a plugin that called GTM for WP. Okay. Okay, here I search GTM for WP. Then I get this plugin. I need to install. Then I have to active. It's activated successfully here. And then I have to come on the install plugin. Okay. From the install plugin, I will able to see the GTM for WP plugin. This one, GTM for WP. Okay. Then I click on the settings. Then I have to paste the ID. Make sure you check if you have any space beside the GTM ID. So I check there are no space, and here they are saying after I will click the save button, it will be turned off. Okay, then I have to turn on it. I have to turn on it again. Here you can see it's turned off. Then you have to again turn on it. Otherwise, the Google Tag Manager will not install. Okay. Make sure you save the settings 2 times because the first time it will be turned off automatically, then you have to again turn on, then you need to save again. Alright, hope you understand how to install the Google Tag Manager. Now the Google Tag Manager is installed successfully on the website. Then I'm going to open Google Tag Manager. From here, I'm going to click on preview. Then I enter the website URL and connect. Alright, now website is connected with the tag assistant because we install the Google Tag Manager on the website. Here I click on this button. In this website have a Forminator form. Okay, this one here if I click on inspect, I will able to see it's a Forminator form. Okay, from here we can understand it. Then we need to type here test information, test name, test. If you want you can type anything. I just type it for testing purpose. I type anything and submit. Now it's successfully submitted. Now let me check in the tag assistant. I don't get any event in the tag assistant. So I have to add in the tag assistant. We don't get any event. For the event, we have to install the listener code in the Google Tag Manager. Okay. So here is the listener code. I will share those listener code docs file in the description. So you can take from there. Here you can see I have 2 listener code. If I use any of them, the tracking will be work. The event will come in the tag assistant. Let me use the first one. Let's say this one. I copy it. Then I have to open the Google Tag Manager again. Then I need to come on tag. And from here, I need to click on new. Then select the tag type. It would be custom HTML. I selected the custom HTML from here. Then I need to paste the JavaScript listener code. Here you can see I paste here. Then I need to select a trigger. Trigger should be all pages. Then I have to save it and name it. And name it and save. Then let's preview again and submit the form again. Now the tag assistant is connected. I open the Forminator form and submit it again. I type test name, test information to submit it. The form is submitted. Here you can see we got a event Forminator form submit. So we need to copy this. We get full data layer, you can see. So we can create a trigger using this event. Let me create a trigger first. I come on the trigger. Then I click on new. The tag trigger type should be custom event. Then I have to paste the event name. Then save it with this event. Make sure the event name should be the data layer event name. Okay. I copy it and paste it here. Alright. Then we can also track the user information. For example, those. So we need to create variable. For this, I am going to copy the data layer from here to from here. You can copy this full data layer. Then let me copy it again. I copy this. Then we have to open ChatGPT. I'm going to open ChatGPT. And here I paste the data layer in ChatGPT and I will type make GTM variable, make GTM data layer variable to send the user info to Google Analytics. Then I type make GTM data layer variable to send user info to Google Analytics. They successfully make, like here you can see the variable name and the data layer variable name. Alright, so let's copy from the ChatGPT and paste in the Google Tag Manager. For this, we have to go in the variables section. So I click on variables. From the variable, we need to select user defined variable. We need to click on new. Then from here, we need to select data layer variable, this one. Then we need to copy this first variable name. I will name it TLB first name. ChatGPT will can save our time. Alright, let me copy another one. The email DLB email. Now the phone number input.phone.1 DLB phone, name it, save. Then we don't need the DLB select and message and page URL. Page URL will be sent automatically to Google Analytics, so we don't need this. And message don't need. Also the DLB select, it's not needed. If you want, you can create variable and you can send to Google Analytics if you want, but it's not recommended. Then we have to type a measurement ID. We need to send this data to Google Analytics. To do this, I'm going to create new tag. I come on the tag from here. Then I need to take a new tag. From here, I need to select Google Analytics, Google tag first, because we will install Google Analytics. Let me open Google Analytics and take the measurement ID from there. Okay, here I come on my client Google Analytics account. From here, I going to select web. Then I have to set the stream URL because he don't create the Google Analytics property successfully. So let me create is Google Analytics property. So here I type the website URL and now I will get the measurement ID. You need to come on Google Analytics and then you need to click on admin. Okay. From the bottom here, you can see the gear icon. You need to click on it. Then have the data stream. Click on data stream. Then open this. And here is the measurement ID. Okay. You need to copy this. Make sure you have to copy this. Copy your measurement ID. Don't copy this measurement ID. So make sure you have to copy your measurement ID. Then you need to add, after paste the measurement ID, you need to add parameter. Here I click on configuration settings. Then I need to add a parameter. I add and I type send page view and it should be true. Okay, here I type true. Then I need to name it Google Tag J4. Alright, I name it Google Tag J4. It will send the page view and the automatically Google Analytics enhance event. Now we're going to track the form. For this, we need to click on new from here. Then we need to select the tag. That would be Google Analytics. Then Google Analytics GA4 event. Then we need to paste the same measurement ID. Event name always we recommend generate lead because it's recommended event from Google Analytics. You can also type like qualified lead and related the lead type that Google Analytics recommend. Okay, here I use the trigger and I name it. Here you can see I use this same trigger that we just created. Then click on submit, publish, continue. Now we'll get the event. Let me show you. I click on workspace, then click on preview. Now the tag assistant is successfully connected. Now if I click on this button from the website, we will get the Forminator form. I enter the test information in the form field, then submit. Now the form is successfully submitted. I can see I get the listener code event. The event is successfully, tag is successfully fired. If I click on summary from here, and here you can see the generate lead tag is fired one time successfully. Alright, now if I click on Google Analytics, click on admin, scroll down, here is the debug view button. I click on that, and here we can see event is coming that we just did, the generate lead and page view, and scroll come automatically when we done 90% scroll from the website. Those are the automatically events. User engagement, session start, first visit, those come automatically. We set up the page view from the tag manager and we set up mainly generate lead event in Google Analytics. So then we're going to make it key event. Click on admin, scroll down, then click on events, then create event. The event name should be generate lead. Don't put anything here. Don't need to put anything. If you want, you can set like a default value or you can not value. Okay. Then you don't need to paste like event name and anything else. Just click on create with code, then create. Done. Now the generate lead will be a key event. It's set as key event. Now we're going to send the user information with the generate lead event. Here you can see now we are sending 0 non-edit presentation data user properties. Okay, we are not sending any user properties. We can send them using the variables that we created. We can create from here. We need to come and tag again from the Google Tag Manager. Then we need to open this tag, the generate lead one. Then I click on it. Then I have to send the user properties like the email, phone number, the first name, last name, and what information we get. Let me see. First name, last name, email address. Okay, those 4 information we can send to Google Analytics using the user properties. We just need to type the property name, then the property value will be, if I click on this plus icon, I will see email, then I need to add first name. This way we can send the user properties. If you need, you can also hire me for this, and if it's browser side tracking, but browser side tracking not recommended from me, you should set up the server side tracking, and for server side tracking you have to become a technical guy. Okay, server side tracking is very advanced, and with the server side tracking you can bypass the Safari browser restriction, and also you can bypass the ad blocker, and a lot of facilities have with the Safari browser, and you will get a reliable tracking with the server side tracking. And yeah, comment on the comment box how the video was, and if it's helpful you can subscribe the channel, and you can also like on this video. Thanks for watching this video and have a good day. Bye.